Hi guys, welcome to another video on G's Workshop. Today I'll be showing you how to fit this Android Auto and Apple CarPlay stereo from MEIAUTO. It's a sponsored video. Thank you very much to them for providing me with the stereo. To be honest, I've already changed this stereo out of this car from the factory one, and it's really rubbish. It's got no Apple CarPlay or nothing. It's just a screen, but it's very laggy and stuff, so I'm going to be getting rid of that. So I'll show you quickly what comes in the box. Some warranty, bunch of wiring, and the actual head unit itself. So we're going to need this pry tool to just pry this out quickly. So if you had the original stereo, you'd be doing the same thing. You'd be taking that off, and then you have to take off these Torx screws, which are T20s. In this car I know there's one missing already, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take them off. Try not to lose the screws, just leave it there. So you have to be careful when you buy these stereos. If you buy cheap ones, they cause battery drains, so I had to hardwire this into the fuse box to stop the battery drain. So that's another reason why I want to get rid of this stereo. So anyway, if you had the factory stereo, it'll be exactly the same way that you take it out. Pull this out. Obviously it's got a bunch of wiring because it's aftermarket. This yellow wire is obviously for the reverse camera that's fitted to the car. We'll be putting that back on. This is for the antenna. We'll take that off. Take this cube off here. So in that factory stereo, if you had it on, you just have to remove this block from the back of the factory stereo and this antenna. That's it. You won't have none of this stuff lying around here. It will literally be this block and that. I'm just going to get rid of all of this. Okay, so now I'm just left with the main block, the antenna. Got AUX in, wired in, so I'll just leave it there. This one is the GPS, GPS antenna, which is going to be exactly the same one probably that comes in here. So I'm not going to bother pulling that out, I can use it. And the reverse camera wire. Let's see what comes in this box. So this wire, okay, this is for your camera and stuff to connect, which will go in the back of the stereo. This is your CAN bus box, I'm guessing. So everything will light up when you turn your night lights on and stuff and turn it off or whatever. It'll connect properly with the car. This is car link or something, I don't know what it says on there, find out later. This one's if you want to connect your subwoofers and stuff and your auxiliary in. If you've got a USB, 3.5mm jack. This is to connect your external mic if you want. Never really used them. That's your brake wire, so if you ground that off or earth it, then you can watch video in motion. I'm not saying that is legal, but you can. This is some Wi-Fi antenna. Another 2 USBs. Because I think if you want to charge your phone and stuff, or other USB with music on it or something. What is this? I'm not sure what this is, to be honest. It probably is for the wireless Bluetooth car link to connect your phone. Okay, so this is some sort of antenna to go into the stereo. These two will connect up to there, so then they give you a radio. Okay, this is the external mic I was talking about, and that's the GPS antenna, which I already have wired into my car, so I'm not going to bother using that. I'll just keep it as a spare. And what is this? No way, has this car got DAB as well? The stereo? Not sure. It's not factory fitted with DAB, so if it has got DAB, which I'm assuming it has, looking at this, that'll be a touch. I'll find out. Some sort of trim. Nice, simple. It's funny because it comes with this trim already on it. Normally when you fit a stereo aftermarket you have to use the factory thing to go back on, but this is identical, so I think I won't have to use this, which is good. So yeah, start connecting this up. Okay, so looking at the back of here, the factory blocks that connect into here. I might have been wrong about the DAV because it says something about, okay, that's for GPS antenna, it says something about 4G, so I don't know, maybe something got to do with network or whatever. I'll see, connect that thing up. But now what we have to do, slowly start connecting all these things in. So I'm going to just push that into there. This will connect into there once I'm done. What's this? Okay, right on the brake. So just got to figure out which one goes where. I'll go there. Okay, goes there. Yeah. Yep, it's canvas box. Goes up from here. Connected up. This one's for the reverse camera input and everything. Connectors. Connectors. This is for all your auxiliaries and your subwoofer if you're going to connect it. It goes up here. Like that. Okay, it says to push and slide. 1 second. All right, so I'm assuming you can put a 4G data or 5G data sim in here, so you can continuously like SIM card, so you can like maybe update the stereo or use your Google Maps and stuff, or YouTube or whatever you want to call it. So then you don't have to have your phone connected or use your personal hotspot, which is quite clever. I've never seen that before. That's definitely what that is, and that would explain that antenna. Where's it gone? That would explain this antenna, what it's for. It's basically to pick up signal so your SIM card works. Okay, I'll be honest with you, I won't be using this on the car because I want to be using Apple CarPlay. So I'm not going to bother connecting that for now, but obviously you can, but it doesn't make sense to me to wire all of this up because I will not be using it. But it's a good function, definitely. Last but not least is these two USB cables, which again I don't think I'll really be using, but I'll just connect it up because it's there, why not? And it goes in there. Right, so all that's left now is just to connect these two connectors, connect my camera into there, and connect the actual block, which is there, into here. Okay, so I've connected everything up that I need to. The last thing is connecting that block into here. But I won't be able to film it because I have to do it with one hand on for 1 second. Okay, so I'm actually connect the block in just over there. So before I tuck it all back in, just gonna test it out. Okay, ignition. Just turn the car on. So I just want to check one thing. If I put the lights on, if it dims out. Yeah, you can see it's dim out. Well, I don't know if you can tell. There, it goes brighter. Put the lights on, dims out, so it's connected to the canvas. Let's see what you can do with it. It's got Wi-Fi. Voice. What's about with the equalizer and stuff. So you got the time, navigation stuff. Obviously this car hasn't got any steering wheel controls, so if it did, it'll work with it. System, date and time. Okay, let's give the Navia a go. Remember, this is without no Wi-Fi, data, or nothing. This is a factory sat nav. Not that I really use them, but let's see how good it is. Okay, yeah, picking up quite well. Radio. Turn that beeping off. I don't like that. Okay, I knew it. So there was two antennas connected behind, and I wasn't sure which one to use. And it's clearly not picking up anything, so I'm gonna have to switch them around. That's not a problem. I'll do that in a minute. Got your Bluetooth. Make your calls. Got folders. What's this one? So this is quick screen. Google Play Store. YouTube. Okay. Ah, it's connected to the internet, so I guess you have to tap off your phone. But yeah, all in all, generally quite pleased with it. Okay. Yeah, quite happy with it. Anyway, I'll add the description in the link below for how to buy this stereo if you're interested in it. Oh yeah, I forgot to test the reverse camera as well. Yeah, that's working as well, so that's excellent, perfect. Alright, so to connect to Apple CarPlay, I figured out you just press that, press car link, and just connects automatically to your phone. It'll pop up. You go on your phone settings, look for CarPlay, and this stereo name will come up. You just accept it, and that's it. It literally links up like that. And if you use the other USB that comes with it, you can mirror link your phone and stuff as well. So yeah, it's quite good. Okay, so just to add, it comes with 2 of these extra trims, depending on which suits your vehicle. So you can take them off and change it. Goes in like that behind there, clips in. So for this car, this one's appropriate, and you don't need to reuse these screws and stuff. It's got a clipping system, so once you've done wiring it all up and you're happy with it, you just slide it in like so, and then I don't know if you can see these 2 tabs. It lines up with these 2 tabs, and there's tabs at the bottom, so you have to tuck it in on the top first and then the bottom, which I'll do now. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and please subscribe. Thank you.